Okay, so we're down to the final activities in this course, and which includes your final course culminating task, your global position paper. I've outlined the due dates for these particular activities. Your global position paper is due on June 17th. But before we get to that, there's one last step in the process for your final course culminating task, and that's your position paper outline and interview, which is due at the end of the month. So to do that, your course culminating task, all the activities or steps, I should say, are outlined in here, which you have already done, including choosing your inquiry topic, how to write and annotate a bibliography and submitting that. And the one we're going to focus on today is your position paper outline and interview. So to start with, you're given a essay outline, which you will use to submit to your Dropbox, fill it in with your information and submit that to Dropbox, as well as any 5 of the 10 questions below, along with your sample essay outline. Submit any 5 of these 10 questions to the Dropbox for feedback. The list of expectations are outlined here. As mentioned, this is the final step in the process before we get to this global position paper, which is due on June 17th. Okay, I've mentioned, made mention of this in the news before. I highly recommend, even though you may choose a topic that is familiar to you, not to recycle something you've done in the past, as this paper is being submitted in a very specific format, and it becomes very apparent if you're just basically just submitting something you use for another class. So I highly recommend that you don't do that. The position paper rubric is available to you as well. You can review that at any time. And if you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact me.